So today we will start with trigonometry ratios of specific angles. Here some specific angles are there. Suppose 90, 30, 60, 45, like this specific angles are there. For those angles, what will be the ratio we will be discussing here. Okay, so here basically we will know like our sine 60 degree, then cos 60 degree and tan 60 degree and tan 60 degree equal to what? And likewise we will learn sine 30 degree 60 degree, then sine 30 degree also we will learn, cos 30 degree we will learn, tan 30 degree we will learn, and we will learn sine 45 degree equal to and cos 45 degree equal to and tan 45 degree we will learn. Okay. So here we will learn some easy tricks so that you can write this also. Okay. It is better you learn all the what we are writing, you learn it, but there is shortcut also which will be helpful to you also. So suppose we take a triangle like this. We take a triangle like this. Okay. It is an equilateral triangle, means all sides are equal. So what will happen? All the angles will be of 60 degree. Okay, this will be also 60 degree, this will be also 60 degree. Then if we will bisect it, and draw a perpendicular. Okay, so this angle will be 30 degree. Agreed? Now this side we are removing, and here it will make a 90 degree angle. So this side we are removing. So suppose this full line is 2A. This is 2A. So this line will also be 2A, and this line will also be 2A, because it is an equilateral triangle here. Okay. So if we remove this side, just I am explaining, you need not do all this exercise every time, just to explain how these ratios are coming. So if we will delete it, so here what will happen? 2A will become A, and this side was A. That's why it was 2A. So this side we are removing. So now if we will solve perpendicular by Pythagoras theorem, what will come? So perpendicular equal to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular minus base square, base square. So here it is 2A square minus A square equal to what will happen? It will become 4A square minus A square under root. So it will become under root 3A square. So A is in a square, so A we can remove. So 3 and A into A square. So 1A we can take. So perpendicular will come as a under root 3A. Okay. So it is coming here. So now every time you need not to do. So just this becomes 3A. So suppose we want to write sine 60 degree, because it is, so from here we will write this. So what will be the relationship? Under root 3A upon 2A. This is your sine 60 degree. It will come. So what you have to do, you need not to go all these details. You can do a easy work. What easy work you can do? You make these, instead of A, you remove A from every side. And A1, it was 1A. So you remove it, you write it 1. You write it 2A, so you write 2. Here it was 3, so instead of 3, you write it like this. And you remember this. Now you can write all the ratios, this 60 degree. So sine is this. Now cos is required. Cos will be 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 it will be. And tan will be under root 3 by 1. Under root 3 by 1 is you write or not, that is not necessary, so under root 3 it will come. Now it is 30 degree. So from here, if you take the theta, from here this will be then your base, and it will become base, and this becomes your perpendicular. Okay. So for sine 30 perpendicular to a, so what will be the 1 upon 2 perpendicular to a sine. Then cos, suppose you want to know, so under root 3 by 2, under root 3 by 2 it will become, and this tan, this is perpendicular, so 1 upon under root 3, it will become under root 3. So like this without learning, also just in the exam, what you do in the copy, you make a shortcut like this, 1, 2 and under root 3, and you know this is 60, this is 30, you need not to write, but 1, 2, 3 you write, 1, 2 and 3 you write, and you calculate these signs. It is very easy. Now we are coming to this side. Okay. Similarly, for 45 degree, you draw a like this. Okay. So it is two sides are equal. This side and this side equal. Isosceles triangle. And here it is 90 degree. So it is 45. Here it will be 45 degree. And here also 45 degree. Okay. You take it A and A. Then what it will be? As per Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is equal to under root perpendicular square, p square plus b square. So p square means a square plus base square is a square under root. So it becomes 2a square, and a is in a square, so a we can take out. So h is equal to under root 2 and a. Again here, if we remove, it is a means 1a. So now we are removing a. And now you have to keep in mind 1 under root 2. Okay, and 1 under root 2 will give you all the answers. You may learn this also for fast calculation, otherwise this will do. So for 45, suppose you want to know sine. So what will be 2, 1, 1? So it will be under root 2. Under root 2, so this is your perpendicular. So it is 1. So what will be? Sine will be 1 by 2. 1 and under root 2. Cos will be 1 and under root 2. And tan will be this 1 upon 1 means it will become 1. So what we are learning, we have learned two triangles we will make in the copy, and we will write 1, 2 under root 3. And this is for your 60 degree and 30 degree you can do. And this you will draw 1 under root 2 for 45 degree. And you can write all these ratios. Otherwise you can learn also, but I think 1, 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3 is the easiest way. 1, 2, 3 for these two. 1, 1, 2 for this. Now we are going to the next part of it. Next part means opposite to these. Means in place of sine, suppose it's opposite. Sine's opposite is cosec. Cos opposite is sec, and tan's opposite is cot. So here what will happen? By this diagram also you can find out. By this 1, 1, 2 under root 3. By this also you can find out, and just write opposite of these will also do. Means it will be equal to 2 upon under root 3. It will be 2 upon 1 not required, and it is 3 upon 1, so it will become 1 upon 3. Like this you can write the opposites here. Sine, cosec. Cosec 30 degree will be just opposite. 2 upon 1 means 2. Cos 30 degree equal to 2 upon under root 3. And cot 30 degree equal to under root 3. We can check also. Suppose cot is, now cot will become from here to this side. This is your, like here, uh, uh, it is 10, 10 is under, from here you, if you are looking, so this becomes your base and this becomes your perpendicular. So cot 30, what will be there? Cosec 30 will be 2 upon under root. From here it will go perpendicular, so 2 upon 1, so 2 will remain. Like cos 30 from here to here to base, hypotenuse to base it will come, so base will go here because it is 30-degree angle we are talking. So in this way, you likewise for this also you can make just opposite, and by diagram also you can write, or you write this and just opposite. So cosec 45-degree will be under root 2, just opposite, reverse. Cos 45-degree will be under root 2, and tan 45 will be equal to 1. Okay. So these are the of specific angles. Now we will go, and in addition to this, we have two others are there, that is sine 90-degree. Sine 90-degree. This is equal to 1, you learn this. And opposite to sine is cosec. So cosec 90-degree will also be equal to 1. This you learn. And other thing you learn cos. Cos 0. Cos 0 degree is equal to 1. And cos opposite is sec. But that is not defined. Sec not defined. It is not defined. So what you have to learn? You have to learn this. Cos 0 degree equal to 1, sin 90 degree equal to 1, cosec 90 degree equal to 1. So sin 90 degree equal to 1, cos 0 degree equal to 1, and opposite to this cosec. This you have to keep in your mind. This is some extra thing. Okay. So this you keep in mind. Cos 0 equal to 1 and its opposite is sec. Sec 0 is also equal to 1. This you have to keep in mind. Okay. Now we will go to question number 1 and solve. Now question number 1 and it's part 1. So here it is written sine 60 degree, cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree and cos 60 degree. Okay. This you have to solve. Here nothing is there, means multiply sign is hidden. Here multiply sign is hidden. So what? Again that diagram we will use 1, 2 and under root 3. Okay. So sine 60 will be, this is your 60 degree. So what will under root 3 by 2? Under root 3 by 2. Then cos will be 1 by 2. Cos 30 it is. Cos 30 means from here you have to look. It is 30 degree. So then it will become base, and so it will be under root 3 by 2. Plus sine 30. Sine 30 means from here to here, because this is 30 degree and this is your 60 degree. It is 30 degree. So sine 30 means perpendicular to 1 by 2 into cos 60. Cos 60 means, see, from here you have to see 1 by 2. You can learn also write, or you can, by this diagram also you can easily write also, whatever you like. Now we will solve it. So it will become 3 and 3 multiply, it will become 3 and it will become 4 plus 1 by 4. So it will become 4 by 4 equal to 1. This will be your answer. Okay, now question part 2 we are doing. So this we have to solve. Tan 45. So for tan, what we draw this? Okay, 1 and under root 2. So tan will be 1 upon 1. Tan will be 1 upon 1. So 2 into 1 square plus cos 30 we have just find out under root 3 by 2 and its square minus sin 60 is here under root 3 by 2 and its square is there, means you have to do the square also. So what will be 2 square? 1, it will become 1 will remain and it will become 2. This 2 will multiply it, it will become 3, and this 2 will multiply, it will become 4, minus, it will make a square, so it will become 3 and this will become 4. Now here nothing is there, you take 1. Now LCM, whenever plus and minus of fraction is there, you have to do the LCM. You cannot cut it. Only in case of divide and multiply we can cut. In case of plus and minus, by LCM we have to do. Here LCM is 4. So 1 we will divide 4, 4 to the 8. Plus it will be 3 and 4, 1 will come, it will be 3. So what will answer? 8 upon 4. 8 upon 4 means 2. So it will be your answer. Okay. So here cos is the 45 degree and 30 degree. So what we will make for 45, we used to make like this diagram, 1, 1 and under root 2. And for 60 and 30 degree we make like this. Okay. So here it is 60, 1, 2 and under root 3. So 30 degree is here. You want cos 45. Cos 45 means from cos means from this is perpendicular 1 upon under root 2. So it will become 1 upon under root 2. It will become like this. And here sec 30. So sec 30 from here we will it is 45 degree diagram and it is your 60 degree. Okay. So for sec 30 means from here we are looking. So so it will become because it is sec opposite. So 2 under root 3, 2 and under root 3 it will become, plus cosec 30. Cosec 30 will become 2 upon 1, so it will become 2. Okay, because cosec is opposite to sine. This is your, now it is your base and it is your perpendicular when 30 degree you are talking. So here from here to here, this is your cos sine. This is your it is become base and this is perpendicular. So you want sec 30. Sec 30 is okay and cosec 32 is okay. So now we will solve it further. So how to do? First we will make a LCM of it and we will go. Okay. You can learn the ratios also and with the diagram also you can do. So what we'll do? 1 upon 2 will remain there and here LCM we will take as a under root 3. This is your LCM. So it will remain 2 and this will become, because here 1 is there, so under root 3 into 2. So it will become 2 multiplied by under root 3. Now we are taking it this side. So 1 upon 2 and this figure if you take upper, so this figure we will take in a one line, it will reverse because here divide sign is there, so it will become multiply sign into under root 3 upon 2 plus 2 under root 3. So what will happen? This will become under root 3 and here it will become 2 and under root 2 it will become, plus this under root 2 and under root will multiply. It will become 2 under root 6 it will become. Now we have to normalize it. So for normalizing we will take a minus sign of it. There this will be less. So minus, you better you do it like this, under root 3 upon 2 under root 6 minus plus 2 upon 2. Now we will normalize it. We will multiply it by a minus sign figure. So what we will do? We will make under root 3 multiplied by 2 under root 6 minus 2 under root 2. Okay, and here what we will write? 2 under root 6 plus 2 under root 2 and multiplied by 2 under root 6 minus 2 under root 2. Okay, so this we have made. Now this is A and this is B. A and B, we know A plus B, A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So this identity we will be using here. And this what we have done? We have done normalized. So from here we have done normalized. It is rationalized. Sorry, we have done rationalized. For fraction solving, we can do rationalize also. So now what will happen? This will become multiply. So it will become 2 will remain. 2 is a whole number. No, it cannot multiply. So in here it will become 3 and 6. It will become 3 6 are 18 minus 2 and under root 3 and 2 it will become 6. And here what will happen? A square plus B square means 2 under root 6 whole square minus 2 under root 2 and whole square. A square minus B square. So what will happen? 2 under root 18. Here we can take 2 as a common. Common 2 we can take out. So what will remain? Under root 18 minus under root 6. It will remain. And here what will happen? 2 under roots, this is power is there. So this will become 4. And in bracket it will become 4 into 6 because this under root will go out and it will become 6 minus. This will become 4. 2 2s are 4 and it will be multiplied by this 2 power will go, under root will go, it will become like this. So what will remain? 2 in bracket 18 minus under root 6 and what will remain here? 4 6 are 24 minus 24 minus 4 2s are 8 means what will remain here? Here it will remain 16 and we can cut it 16 and 8 will come here. So what will remain? It will remain under root 18 minus under root 6 upon 8. And so here 18, if we make a breakup, 18's breakup, so 3 3s are 9 and 9 2s are 18 minus under root 6 upon 8. You see here one pair is there. If pair is there, we can take it out. So what will be there? If we will take it out, so your answer will be equal to this 3 will come out because it has a pair. So it will go out of the square root 3 and this 2 will remain in the root minus under root 6 upon 8 and nothing you can cut. So this will become your final answer. Okay, from here it will come. So this is your final answer. Okay. Now 1 and 4th question we have written the question. It is sine 30. Sine 30 means from this side. From here you have to take as a sine 30. So this becomes your base. Then this will be your base. Sine 30 will be from perpendicular to here means 1 upon 2. That's why 1 upon 2 we have written. Tan 45. Tan 45 means 1 upon 1. So 1 we have written. Cosec 60. Cosec 60. So that first you take sine 60. So it is under root 3 by 2. So cosec will be 2 or under root 3. 2 under root 3 it is there. Sec 30 degree. Sec 30 degree you want. Sec is opposite to cos. So this is your, now it is your perpendicular it becomes and it becomes base. So okay. So it will become sec 30 degree. So it will become 2 and under root 3. It will become 2 and under root 3. It will become. Okay. Now cos 60 degree. From here 60 degree you have to see cos. Cos means 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 it will come this relation. Cot 45. Cot 45 is again here. From here tan and from here cot. So it is 1. So likewise from this diagram you can fill it and do the question. So now we are going to solve the question here. Okay. So this is again LCM we will do. Here also LCM we will do, and we will try to solve. First we will do it like this. Sort we can make it. So 1 plus 2 plus 1, it will make it 2. So 2 and 1 3. It will become 1 plus 2 upon 2 minus 2 upon under root 3. And here what will happen? 2 upon under root 3 and plus again it will be in LCM 2. So 1 plus 2 it will become. Okay, this is LCM and this is also LCM. So from here, what we will got? 3 upon 2 minus 2 upon under root 3. This is the upper side. And lower side also we can write in this way also. 3 upon 2 minus 2 upon under root 3. So this we have got. Now, again we will take LCM and solve it. So LCM will be 2 under root 3. So 2 will divide it, you will get under root 3. Under root 3 and 3 will multiply, it will come 3 under root 3 minus. By 3 you will divide, you will get 2. And 2 and 2 it will become 4. And here also you will get the LCM like this, 2 under root 3, and the same figures you will get here also. 3 under root 3 and plus sign and 4. This you will get. Okay. Now we will reverse it. Means the upper side will remain like this. 3 minus 4 upon 2 under root 3. And this will go upper side. 2 under root 3 upon 3 under root 3 plus 4. This you can cut. Okay. So what will remain with you? 3 under root 3 minus 4. And what here? 3 under root 3 plus 4. Now we will do the normalize. We will normalize it. How? We will multiply it by minus sign. So we are multiplying it by a minus sign. So this we will keep in one bracket, and here another bracket we will take and we will multiply it. Under root 3 minus 4. And here also we will put a bracket and under root 3 under root 3 minus 4. Okay. Now here you see it is the same figure, minus minus. So we can take it A and B square. A is this figure. A equal to 3 and under root 3 and B equal to 4 we can take. And we will make it A minus B square. So we will use the identity A minus B square. A minus B whole square we will use. And here we will use A plus and minus sign is A square minus B square. A square minus B square. These two identities we are using here. Okay. So A square minus B square. So A here A equal to 3 and under root 3 and B equal to 4. Okay. So it will become A square means 3 under root 3 whole square. A square plus B square minus 2 A and B minus 2 AB minus 2 A means 3 under root 3 into B. It is B. B is 4. So this formula we have used A square minus B square. Now we are using this formula. A square means 3 under root 3 and whole square. A square minus B square minus B square. Okay, now this we will solve. Okay. So if we will solve it, what will happen? This will make 9 and 3. So 9 into 3 it will become. This will become plus 16 and this will become minus 3 to 4 is whole number, 3 is whole number, 2 is whole number. So whole numbers will multiply. 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 24 and under root 3 will remain like this. It will remain. And what will remain here? 3 3s are 9 and it will become 3. So 9 into 3 it will become 9 into 3. Okay, minus it will become 16. Now we have to solve it. So if we will solve it, 9 is 27 plus 16 minus 24 upon 3. And here what will happen? 23, 9 is 27 minus 16. So it will be 11 will remain here. 7 6 13 3 आता 2 2 2 4 43 minus 24 under root 3. Now you cannot cut, so this will be your final answer. Okay, this will be your final answer. 1 and 4th, this question is solved here. Now we will do the other questions in our next video. Means 1 and 5th part we will be doing. Thanks for watching this video. Please share with your friends also, so that they can subscribe and get the benefit of this free online tuition. Okay, thank you.